Hello, good morning, students. I hope you all are very fine. My dear, it has become our daily duty to collect something new for you and convey among the students who are waiting for us. My dear, as a teacher, it is our prime duty to convey the idea what I collect for the students. My dear, nowadays we are passing through a very hard time and we have our faith that we shall overcome, we shall overcome. Before I come to the topic, my dear, I would like to assure you that if we are concerned to our duty and is being done very honestly, it would be very fruitful for all of us. My dear, today we have to learn the second lesson of supplementary reader. Yesterday, one of the students asked me to convey the details of syllabus. My dear, for your kind information, in my first video, I conveyed the syllabus of class 10 English in detail. But in brief, today I inform you that this book contains two long questions having 10 marks, and this supplementary reader, as it is named, certainly assist you, help you in obtaining good marks. Now let us come to the topic. Today I have brought the second edition of the supplementary reader. It is named The Thief's Story. It is written by an eminent author, Ruskin Bond. Before we go through the lesson, we must know about the author, his way of writing, his achievement, and what he did as a writer for the society, for the literal section of society. My dear, Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer of British origin, and you will surprised to know that he started writing at the age of 17. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, became very famous and brought very popular reward for him. L.R. Memorial Prize was given to him for this work. My dear, it is not only the total sum of his achievements, but he won Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 and the foremost adorable award Padma Shri in 1999. And now we may imagine what sort of writer Ruskin Bond is. He entertained especially the child group. He had a very deep understanding of child psychology. Very often, my dear, writers pay their attention to the beautiful things, what is happening in the society, and the coincidence of time. But by writing short stories, Ruskin Bond enriched the learning mind of children. And now we should return to the topic. The title of the story, The Thief's Story. Of course, This characteristic feature of stealing things comes in a very famous character named Hari Singh. There are two characters in this story. First, Anil was a writer and earned his living by writing articles, stories for magazines. And second is the character of Hari Singh. He was an expert thief, my dear. He never missed his chance while stealing things from others. By means of this story, we know in what way a little sense of gratitude changes the mood of even a corrupt person. We see in what way Hari Singh deceived his helper, his master, who supported in all the ways. He was none other than Anil. Anil was a simple but a large hearted man, very generous, very sympathetic, very kind to others. One day, he was watching a wrestling match. All of a sudden, a young boy named Hari Singh came to him and desired to pay his service as a cook. As I told you, Anil was very generous. He accepted his proposal and ensured him to give shelter, food, and everything required. But, my dear, we have the next character. It is of Hari Singh. Before analyzing the character, we should analyze the common characteristic feature of a person who generally steals, brings evil thoughts in his mind, and does nothing rather than disturbing society. My dear, you may judge what sort of profession should be adopted. I think as a teacher, I suggest you not to select the path that leads to corruption, that leads towards disturbance and destruction in society. As a human being, it is our prime duty to enrich society, to help society, to support by means what we have. And in this way, gradually, stepwise, we shall learn the depth of a story, its movement, its conclusion, its morale, and what does it teach us after reading. I hope, my dear, you all are very sincere. Nowadays, what is being conveyed not only by me, by my other colleagues also, I hope you all are supporting me by watching our videos and invest your time to enrich your own capacity, and you are ready to build a very straight path that leads you towards your goal. And tomorrow we shall learn about the depth, about the analytic feature of Anil, Hari, and commonly what is happening in our society. And before I wish you all the best, my dear, once again, I'm very optimistic. I hope you are living well, you are at your home and are taking advantage the support of your parents by thinking always good for the world. Thank you very much.